girl trying to be fabulous, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my subscribers. Welcome to my new subscribers, and welcome to those of you who are not subscribed. If you are not subscribed and you enjoy my content, I hope you will consider doing so. And even if you don't enjoy my content, I hope you'll consider subscribing, because why not? And if you subscribe, you'll make two little sweet doggies very, very happy. So today we are going to try out this Kitsch Strengthening Solid Treatment Bond Repair, because, you can see my hair. I mean, I guess it's healthy, but I had COVID a couple of years ago, and it's like you get COVID, a few months later you'll lose some hair. So my hair grew back, and it didn't grow back as nice as I would have liked. It just grew back weird. So I'm trying to improve it. So we're doing this. So let's see. You use this in place of conditioner once a week. And if you're familiar with this brand, they don't use bottles. It comes in a bar. So we have this sweet little bar of conditioner. And it comes in this paper. So it's probably recyclable. So yeah, we're going to try that. My hair was styled this morning. So this is what my hair looks like styled from this morning. So we'll see how well this works. And this bar is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's a lot less than I thought it would be. I mean, it's kind of pricey. But if it works and it lasts as long as they say it'll work, then, that's a good thing. So we'll see how this does. We'll see how it works on my hair. We'll see if I got super shiny hair tomorrow when I come back. Okay, so let's get this done. Before the first treatment, this is my hair. My hair has been blown dry and curled. And then this next picture would be after, and then my hair has also been styled in the same manner. Using different lighting. So as you can tell, this is the before, and then this is the after. So this is after the first treatment, and I have let my hair air dry instead of trying to style it. This is my hair air dried close up, and also this picture. And then this is my hair after I have styled it with the curling iron. And this is a close-up of my hair styled with the curling iron. The reason I showed my hair styled both air dried and styled with a curling iron is because a lot of times whenever you have a hair product, they will show your hair that has been air dried and unstyled, and then in the after picture they show you the hair that's been styled. And so I think that's very deceptive, and I didn't want to do that. So I used this product twice, and I showed you what my hair looked like before I used the product and after, when it was styled, when it was air dried, and then when the second time when it was styled again. So my thoughts on this product is that it's very good and it's worth the price, because it is at this time about $20 for the product, and I give it a 10 out of 10 which is very good because I don't give something a 10 out of 10 unless I really like it. I really think that even though the bar is really small, it's like about that big, even though the bar is really small, I really think I'm going to get 100 uses out of it. Yeah, I really like this product, and it has left my hair really shiny, and it's, doesn't feel as unmanageable as it used to. I really like it. I really recommend it. So with that, I'm going to tune out. I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.